Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share this very practical, very wearable Valentine's Day look with bronzy eyes, a black winged eyeliner and a bold red lips, perfect for a date night. And the base is also really glowy and long lasting, so I have kept the base very long lasting so it won't budge throughout the entire day. You can use any products you have in your collection to create this look, because it's a very easy makeup look which you can definitely recreate. I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have already well prepped my skin, put a lot of moisturizer as well as facial oil to add a lot of glowiness to my skin. Still I need to add one more layer of hydration onto my skin, so I'm using this pack moisture lotion and I'm taking complete one pump of this and taking my time slowly to just massage it on all over my face like this. I'm taking my time to just massage it on so that it can just seep deep into my skin and makes my skin really moisturized, hydrated. And if you just well prep your skin, guys, your makeup will be definitely looking amazing. Now it's time to move on to the brows. I am using this Wearable Paris 3D Sculpt eyebrow kit and taking the middle shade from the palette, and with the help of the applicator it comes with, I am going to outline my brows like this and going to fill it in. So this is also a very hassle-free product with which you can definitely do your eyebrows within minutes. You can use any dark eyeshadow you have in your collection, like more like taupey brown shade, grayish brown shade, to just fill in your brows. It's completely up to you, guys. You can use your eyebrow pencil, you can use eyebrow pomade. It's completely up to you. So I'm just taking a spoolie and distributing the product on all over my brows. And now to add a lot more definition to my brows, add some edginess to my brows, I'm using a concealer surrounding my brows to just clean out the edges so that my brows look really prominent, lifted, and it's optional. You don't have to do this, but it adds a lot of defined look to the eyes. Now for priming my skin, I am using this Wet n Wild primer serum, rose primer serum. Since today I'm going with a lot of glowiness on my face, I just want my skin to look really glowing and illuminating, so I'm using a very hydrating primer serum, and I'm taking my time to slowly massage it on all over my face, and you can see the glow it provides. It's a gorgeous stuff, guys. You can definitely try this one out. For the foundation today, I'm using NYKAA Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade beige, which is having a lot of yellow undertone. It looks a little light on my skin, but don't worry, it will change its color because this foundation oxidizes on me and it will adapt with my own skin color. And I'm just using a damp beauty sponge to just blend it in. And this foundation is a complete matte foundation, guys, perfect for summer days. But since today I just want my base to be really long lasting, I have used that matte foundation. For the concealer today, I am using a Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade 09 Classic Beige, and I am just applying it under my eyes, in the corner of my eyes. I am just applying a little bit of this, not too much, because I just want my base to look really natural and glowy from within. So I'm just taking a little bit and blending the same using the damp sponge. And since I have used more like a medium to full coverage foundation, I have used a medium coverage concealer. If you have used more like sheer coverage foundation, you can use a full coverage concealer to make your under eyes look really radiant and bright. And it blends really well, guys. This is a very nice everyday kind of concealer which you can definitely use. Now to set my concealer today, I am using this compact from Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And using a powder brush, I'm just going to set my under eyes, my eyelids, just in the center of my nose, because I'm not going to set my overall face. I just want that kind of very nice, glowy, natural looking skin. So I have not used powders on all over my face. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. At first, I'm taking a brown kajal. This one is by NYKAA, and I'm going to just scribble it on all over my lid like this. This is in the shade Bronze Beam, guys. It looks really stunning. This particular step actually helps in creating a nice base for my eyeshadows to work on my eyes. You can use a black kajal, you can use any brown kajal you have. And using a pencil brush, I'm just smudging this out, as you can see, and it smudges really well, guys. This is just acting as a base for my eyeshadows. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using this very affordable Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 05. And I'm taking this very nice bronzy champagne shimmery shade from the palette. With the help of a flat shader brush, I'm going to just apply it on all over my eyelid where I have put on that particular brown kajal. You can just leave this eye look up to this and you're happy, but I just want a lot more definition, so I'm taking this a light beige kind of a brown shade from the palette, matte shade, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out my crease like this. Taking this a dark cool tone brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a tapered blending brush, I'm going to concentrate it just in the outer and the inner corner of my eyes to add some depth to my eyes. And you can see it's looking soft, still having a lot of definition and depth going on, which actually is making the look really pretty. So for tightlining my upper waterline, I am using this black kajal from NYKAA. I'm black kajal and I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with it. And for my lower waterline, I'm taking that Glamoreyes kajal in the shade Bronze Beam, that brown eye pencil, and going to tightline my lower waterline, and also going to apply it thickly on my lower lash line, which I'm going to smudge using this dark brown cool tone brown shade from the palette with the help of a pencil brush. I'm not doing much, as you can see. I'm just creating it a nice simple kind of look which you can actually recreate. Taking this liquid eyeliner by K-Beauty Eye Stylist liquid eyeliner in the shade Black Canvas, and I'm going to create a nice winged eyeliner because I love drawing winged eyeliner on my eyes. You can use any liner you have. This particular eyeliner is jet black, guys. It is very pigmented, but it leaves a little bit of sheen. So if you have used any kind of shiny liquid eyeliner, you can make it matte by using any kind of black eyeshadow. So today I'm using this black eyeshadow to just make this shiny eyeliner look a lot more matte and really long lasting. So you can see this is how it looks like. So for the mascara today, I'm using this Maybelline Hydra Fuge Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper and my lower lashes with it. And this mascara actually helps in defining my eyelashes really well. It adds a lot of length to my lashes, but it doesn't add that much volume to my lashes, guys. I love my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, but on an everyday basis, you can definitely try out this particular one. If you are not comfortable using a false eyelash, you can definitely skip it, but I love wearing falsies, and you can see this is how the final eye makeup turned out. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face. I'm going to contour my face using this NYKAA Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Chisel, and I'm going to take the contour shade on my pack contour brush and going to apply it under my cheekbones, basically on the areas where I want to just add some artificial shadow so that my face look really structured and defined. Applying it on my jawline, just on the hollows of my face, on my forehead. And you can see you can use a bronzer if you're not comfortable using a contouring product on your face to just bronze up your skin. I'm also contouring my nose to make it look a lot more sharpened and structured and defined. And you can see this is how my contoured face looks like. For the blush today, I'm using this MYGLAMM K-Play Raspberry blush, and it's a very pretty kind of deep coralish warm blush which looks absolutely stunning on all Indian skin tones, and it's very pigmented. So I'm going to just remove the excess at the back of my hand and going to apply it on the apples of my face. Make sure that you take your blush from the apples of your face towards your ears and blend it really well with your contour shade. I just want my cheeks to look really blushing and glowing from within, so I'm also putting a little bit of my blush on my forehead as well as on my nose. Now for the highlighter today, I'm using this Daughter Earth into a Coralista Glow Goddess Illuminator, and it's a cream highlighter, as you can see. So I'm going to just directly take it on my fingers and going to apply it on the highest points of my face using my fingertips. and it's a very natural glowy looking highlighter, guys. Using my fingertips, I'm going to just blend this in, and you can see it works so well on top of the powder products which I have applied on my face. If you have applied this product on your directly on your foundation, it will be glowing even a lot more. It adds such a nice natural glow from within, which is definitely wearable on an everyday basis as well. Using the same product, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also going to highlight my brow bone, and it adds such a nice glow to my face. You can see. Now it's time to do my lips. I'm going to remove the excess lip balm and going to neutralize my lips, because today I'm going to apply a gorgeous bold red lipstick from Too Faced, and it's her melted matte lipstick in the shade Nasty Girl. And I love this lip color, guys. It's such a pretty deepest red shade having brick undertone. It looks amazing on all Indian skin tones. It will be looking the best if you belong to dark to deep skin category. I just love the formula of Too Faced lipsticks, melted matte lipsticks. I have bought a bunch of new shades which I'm going to review soon, so stay tuned. And you can see it's a complete 100% a matte liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry out your lips. It doesn't feel at all dehydrating on the lips. So whenever you are using any kind of red lipstick, make sure that you clean out the edges using a definer brush and a concealer, because that actually helps in making your lips look really neat. It just makes your lipstick looks really flawless and defined, and I really love how the lipstick is actually looking, guys. You can definitely try out Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Brazen Raisin. Is a really good dupe for this particular shade. Now to set my overall face, I'm using Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray. And you can see this is how the final eye makeup and the face makeup turned out. Really liking it, really loving how it turned out. So this is how it turned out, guys. This is my take on this year's Valentine's Day makeup look, which turned out to be such a wearable, glowy, which will be absolutely looking stunning with most of your outfits. If you like it, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. Happy Valentine's Day to every one of you. Take care. Bye, guys.